Okay, so share ko sa inyo to guys, no? Sa mga nawala ang SIM card or phone device, kahit na nawala guys ay pwede nating pansamantalang ipablock guys ang ating GCash account para hindi magamit or hindi ma-open ng ibang tao ang ating GCash account. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yan? So simulan natin guys. So ang gagawin natin dito guys para ma-report natin guys na nawala guys yung SIM card natin or yung phone device natin ay gagamit tayo dito guys ng Chrome browser natin guys. So pupunta tayo dito guys sa Chrome browser natin. So pagdating natin dito guys sa Chrome browser natin guys, dito sa search engine guys, no? So i-type lang natin guys yung GCash 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 Help Center. Yan. So yan lang yung i-type natin guys, no? GCash Help Center. So browse natin yan. Yan, so wait lang guys, no. So pagdating natin dito guys, pag-browse natin ay ito yung lalabas guys, no. So ito guys yung website nila guys. Dito tayo magsasubmit a ticket guys or mag-report guys tungkol sa ating SIM card or phone device guys na nawala guys. So pasok tayo diyan. So papakita ko sa inyo guys, no. Yan. So dito hanapin natin dito guys yung your account guys. So kung makita natin guys yung your account guys under ng product and services, makita natin dito guys yung your account natin guys. So click natin ito guys para makapag-report tayo guys sa tungkol sa ating phone device or sa ating SIM card guys na nawala guys. Okay. So dito makita natin, scroll natin pababa, makita natin dito guys yung account security. So click natin guys yung account security na ito guys para makapag-submit tayo ng report natin. So pagka-click natin guys ay scroll natin pababa, makita natin dito guys yung article guys na my phone got damaged or broken, I cannot access GCash, what do I do? Yan. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin dyan, i-click natin yan. So pagka-click natin yan guys ay scroll natin pababa guys, no. Scroll natin pababa. So makita natin dito guys yung site na ito guys na I lost the SIM or phone. Yan. So click natin yan siya guys, no. So click natin yan. So pagka-click natin yan guys ay ito yung lalabas guys, no. So makita natin dito guys, I lost the SIM or phone where my GCash account is registered. Yan. So sabi nga nila dito guys, so if you lost your SIM or phone where your GCash is registered, follow the step below. So sabi nila dito, report your lost SIM or phone to secure your funds. So i-report natin guys yung nawala nating SIM card or yung phone natin guys para ma-secure guys yung ating funds guys, no. So dito sabi nila dito guys, chat with GG or Gigi ba to, and type lost phone or lost SIM to report it or click here for help. Your account will be temporarily blocked for security guys. So dito naman sabi nila dito, GCash will block your account to protect your funds, preventing you from login during this time guys. So sabi nila dito ay be sure to note the ticket number from customer support to unblock your account later. Yan. So dito guys ay pwede tayo makapag-report dito kay Chat with Gigi or Gigi ba ito guys. Yan. So pwede tayo makapag-report dyan guys or pwede tayo maka-direct dito guys sa click here for help guys, no. So mamili lang kayo dyan sa dalaw guys kung saan yung gagamitin nyo guys. So halimbawa ito yung gagamitin natin guys. So click natin yun siya guys. So automatic na to siya guys. Mapupunta na tayo guys sa submit a ticket guys. So ito yung kagandahan guys, no. So hindi na tayo mag-chat with Gigi or Gigi ba yan guys. Yan. So dito guys sa your email address guys. So dito ilalagay natin guys yung naka-register doon sa GCash account natin guys na nawala guys yung phone number natin at yung phone device natin guys. Yan. So halimbawa SIM card lang, so pwede naman guys, or phone naman, so pwede natin ma-unregister din guys, no. Tapos yung GCash registered full name rin natin guys. Yan, so ilagay rin natin guys yung registered full name ng GCash account natin guys. So dito naman guys, select lang natin yung country kung saan tayo nag-register ng ating GCash account. At dito ilagay lang natin guys yung mobile number guys ng GCash account natin guys na nawala guys, no. So yung nawala nating number guys, so dito natin ilalagay yung mobile number. So sabi na diyan, example guys ay 63. Yan, so magsisimula sa 63 guys, no. Yan, tapos dito sa your account type. So ano ba yung account type nyo? So sa atin guys ay Filipino citizen and 18 plus years old with Philippine SIM. So ito guys yung ating account type guys, no. So Filipino citizen 18 plus years old with Philippine SIM. Yan. So dito SIM lang dito, ilagay rin natin guys yung nawala nating mobile number. So SIM lang sila dito guys ng sa mobile number at dito guys sa nawala guys, no. So dito naman guys ilagay rin natin guys yung first name natin na naka-register dun sa GCash account natin at yung middle name natin, last name at last name natin. Yan. So dito birth natin ilagay rin natin guys. So kailangan guys mag-match guys, no. So dito naman guys, what was the email registered to your old account? So ilagay rin natin dito guys yung naka-register dun guys sa old account natin guys. Yan. Tapos dito naman guys sa please share what happened or add other information your concern guys. So ang gagawin natin dito guys, parang magre-report lang tayo dito guys, no. So sabihin nga natin guys, dahil nga nawala guys yung ating SIM card or phone device natin. So pwede tayong makagawa dito guys, no. So ito guys yung feedback ko guys. So sample lang to guys. So pwede kayong gumawa ng sariling feedback nyo guys or report nyo guys or concern nyo guys, or pwede nyo gamitin ito guys, no. So sabi ko dito, hello GCash team, I lost my SIM card and my phone device. Please help me to protect my account. I will pass my identity as proof that I own my account. Thanks GCash team. So ito lang guys yung feedback ko guys, no. So sabi ko dito guys, hello GCash team, ay team pala ito guys, team. Yan. Hello GCash team, I lost my SIM card and my phone device. Please help me to protect my account. I will pass my identity as a proof that I own my account. Thanks GCash team. So dito naman guys, kapag meron na tayong concern dyan or feedback or report guys, ay sunod tayo dito guys sa upload a photo or attachment ito that can help us assist you with your concern guys. So dito guys sa add file or drop files here na ito guys, ay magsasend tayo dito guys ng file natin guys, no. So kailangan natin guys mag selfie dito na hawak natin guys yung valid IDs natin guys. So make sure nyo guys na clear guys, no. Or pwede tayo mag submit dito guys kahit walang muka natin, hindi tayo kasama sa picture or hindi tayo nagsiselfie, ay picturean lang natin guys yung valid ID natin guys, yung mga government ID natin na pwede nating ipasa guys. Yan. So dito kung meron pa kayong guys na iwan guys na SIM card, yung lagayan ng SIM card dati, yung bagong bili nyo guys, so meron yun siyang lagayan guys, no. So bago natin tanggalin guys yung SIM card natin guys, ay meron yun siyang housing guys, no. So kapag meron kayo yan guys, ay pwede nyo siyang magamit yun guys, no, para sa inyong proof guys, no, na kayo talaga yung nagmamayari guys ng nawalan yung phone number guys. Okay, so pagkatapos yan guys ay halimbawa nalagyan na natin dito guys ng details guys. Yan. So nalagyan na natin yan lahat ng details niyan guys. So pwede na natin siyang i-submit guys, no. So make sure nyo guys na mag-match guys yung details nyo guys, no, sa nilagay nyo dito guys at dito sa inyong GCash account guys, no. Yan. So kapag okay na yun siya guys, so click natin guys yung submit na ito guys, no. Yan. So pagkatapos natin ng submit na yan guys, ay hintayin natin ang email. So sa email meron silang ibibigay sa atin guys na 8-digit reference number. Yung 8-digit reference number na yan guys ay pwede ninyong gamitin para mag-follow up ng inyong ticket status tungkol sa inyong report. At bibigyan din kayo guys ng instruction at requirements ni GCash kung paano nyo guys ma-access ang inyong GCash account guys. So kung sakali naman guys, so back tayo guys no. So back tayo. Kung sakali naman guys makakuha kayo guys ng number nyo guys. Halimbawa nakakuha kayo guys ng parehong number nyo guys sa telco provider guys. Halimbawa nakakuha kayo guys ng pareho yung SIM number. So pwede natin siyang ipa-request to unblock guys yung SIM card natin guys no, para ma-access natin guys yung GCash account natin guys. Yan, so kung makita naman nyo dito guys, meron sila ditong sinabi guys na if you have a SIM with the same SIM number, so pwede tayo maka-request guys na i-unblock yung SIM card natin guys. So gamitin lang natin guys yung 8-digit reference number provided during the blocking request guys. So sabi naman nila dito, maka-receive tayo guys ng email regarding your account status within 48 hours guys. Yan, so kung sa inyo guys, kung gusto naman nyo guys magkuha guys ng kapareho yung number sa nawala yung SIM card guys, ay pwede guys no. So kailangan lang nyo guys pumunta guys sa telecommunication provider guys no, or sa telco provider guys. So hanapin lang nyo guys sa mga mall, minsan nandyan guys yung mga SIM card, yung mga SIM provider nyo guys no. Yan. So dito naman guys dito may pangalawang option din sila na sinabi guys na if you have a SIM with a new number, please make sure you are fully verified to transfer from your old number to your new account guys. Yan, so kung meron kayong bagong number guys, so make sure lang natin guys na fully verified guys yung GCash account natin guys, para ma-transfer natin guys yung laman or funds ng ating old number guys sa bago nating number guys. Okay, so yan, palagi nilang sinabi guys na you will receive an email regarding your account status within 48 hours guys. So ganun lang kadali guys no, kung paano natin guys ma-report guys yung ating mobile number guys or device guys na nawala guys no. So I hope guys na makatulong sa inyo itong video tutorial natin. Sa mga bago pa lang sa YouTube channel guys no, huwag natin kalimutan guys i-click guys yung subscribe at yung notification bell button para ma-update ko kayo guys sa susunod nating video tutorial. Thank you guys and God bless sa lahat.